a day after, we had a fire. This is the heart of Sala. 95% of the buildings or businesses in Silos have been impacted by Melissa, Hurricane Melissa. We have our businesses across here where you can see behind me. Sala's at the estate, Sala's meat and grocery. We have both businesses have been totally devastated. We also had a Sala's at the estate kitchen over that side, what fed most of the communities during the hours like from 3 until 11. It has been totally demolished. The school has been 50% damaged. The police station has been 100% damaged. Most of the houses around here, at least 90% of the houses were roofed. Most of those roofs are probably 80% damaged. In regards to Silo, St. Elizabeth Northeast, we are down probably 90%. We are fully down right now. At the moment, we're currently down on water. Food stock is kind of hard to reach. We are getting a couple support from 1 and 2 persons, but still, we are still in the dark. And we don't know how long or much further people can hold up in regards to getting support and getting help. As far as we can see and what is happening now, it's a standstill for us. Directly after the hurricane, we had a fire right on the Salazar estate, which was built out of barrel stakes that we bought from the Appleton estate, right? It caught fire. It took around 20 persons with every possible water that we could actually find in and around the vicinity just to out the fire. After that, we were all out of water because nobody had water just to out one single fire, which could have burnt down every other thing in and around because it's a close-knit community with all of the buildings. All right? So it was totally chaos. We need some help, some support, any kind of assistance we can in Silo, in Northeast St. Elizabeth.